Just let me lose interest. You won't find a better than this. I swear, girl, if you leave, just let me know. So
last week I uploaded the video of my room transformation, and this week we're going to do the room tour. So yeah, without further ado, let's start. So I'm at the corridor which links my room and my big sister's room. So this corridor links both our rooms. Yeah, and then I'll show you guys how that's happened. But yeah, so after this corridor, I won't show you what it looks like because there are some things that we have not like sorted out yet. So it's, yeah. But yeah, after that we go to my door. So yeah, when you open the room, the first place that you see is my closet. Yeah, and then we have obviously my switch, so my closet, and then here is where I put my bin. It's usually down there. Okay, so my closet is pretty dark and I don't have a bulb for inside here, but basically that's how it looks like. I think you can kind of see. So everything fits inside my closet. That's why I love it so much. Hakuna kitu itoshei hapa, and I still have space. You can see there's a lot of space here. I even keep some of my personal items inside there. Nguo hazinitoshi bado ziko hapa ndani, zenye na hope nitavaa nikikonda. Yeah, also my shoes down there, so there's nothing that doesn't fit in here. I love this closet, and I don't know, the fundi who made it was just spectacular. So it's a mini walk-in. Yeah, feel bougie. Yeah, so that's the closet.
Last summer was like a dream, feels like last summer was like a dream, and I'm trying to figure out
the closet. We come to my shelves here. So this is my storage shelves. You already saw them. So this is how the final product looks. I wasn't able to put anything up there because first of all I thought it will be hard. Hakuna haja, sitakuwa nafikia. It will be even harder. Yeah, so, and I don't even have a lot of files. So yeah, anyway, I know someday will come I'll need something to put there. And then that's where I put my electronics and the boxes of like stuff I've bought before. You see my ring light. I have a microphone. Don't ask why. Karaoke. And then here, the bottles. Now I broke the black bottles, if you remember, if you watched my video. So I had to repaint others, but instead I decided I won't paint the black ones because it kind of is not going with the aesthetic I was going for in my room. So I had this before, so I just added this one and painted it. I use acrylic paints for those who are wondering, because those ones stick better. Water paints won't work, so acrylics are the best. Yeah, these are just used bottles that I found in the house, so you just paint them clean and paint them. And then we have that album, DIY album cover of the Bee Gees. Here we have my 2 plushies. This one I don't know where my mom got it, but she got it for me. I think sikumbuki, but hizi zote ni mtumba, you know. So they're all second hand. But this one I've had it for a long time. And then this is just a photo of me and my sister. Yes, I know I need to make another frame for that, but I will. I have an idea that I want to play out, so itabidi tumengoja. And then this old photo, Chinese photo that we had. And then here we have my books that I told you that my dad used to buy for me to improve on my science. And then my atlas, because this is the only place it could fit. And then this French book which I refused to return ya shule. Then here we have just this photo. And then this is my new friend, my new plant. It's called Yongbok. Yongbok is the name of one of my ultimate stands in a group I really like. So my ultimate bias in a group I stand. So I chose the name though not because of that, but because the name means the scent of a dragon. So I thought it was a nice name. Yeah, so that's Yongbok, my new plant. And then here we have my notebooks and my novels. So these are all the notebooks I used throughout high school. And yeah, and then novels that I buy. If you don't buy novels, the 50 bob kwa barabara, you just bougie. And then here we have some other decorations that I made. I tried painting Starry Night. I think it turned out great. And then I made this mushroom I just hung some keys that I painted, because we have so many keys in the house of padlocks that we lost, especially in high school. So yeah. And then this candle that I bent myself. These are all DIYs that I take from Pinterest. And then this candle I painted, and also the candle holder. So for the candle holders and the mushroom, I made them out of plasticine and painted them using acrylics again. And then now here down we have my St. John swagger cane. This comes in handy if you're short. Trust me, if you're short like me, you will need something like a stick in your room. And then that's the water that I keep for my plant. Yeah, so that's it. You saw me guys putting this up. I think I have a reel on that. I didn't post the reel before my room transformation because I didn't want to kind of spoil. So but I think after this I would have put it up. So yeah, all stickers are from Hamana's Gifts and Jewelry, my small business. So if you need any, kindly you can just ask me. Yeah, so but I need to add more. You guys left me nikiwa nimezieka hadi huku chini. I put them until here huku chini, but then I saw that some of them are not as visible as I would like them to be, so I decided to move them to this pillar. Yeah, and then I need to add more, but I wasn't able to because I've been busy with school. So because it takes a lot of time for resizing and all that stuff, so, and also researching the pictures that I want to put. But yeah, and then I added also those painted CDs. So yeah, that's this kakona. And then here I'm supposed to make this with the sunflowers, but I've not bought the sunflowers, so I've not made the vase yet. So instead we have my laundry basket over here just chilling. Okay, but I've not bought the sunflowers. That for that car section. I don't have my mirror yet, but it's supposed to be there. And then this is the stool where I just keep my towel if I have a blanket, maybe, because it gets really cold. And then my bed. So you guys didn't leave me with this bed last time. That's because it wasn't bought yet. Yeah, so I wanted a smaller bed, but this is still okay. And it's white because I'm really fitting the white aesthetic to kind of like lighten up the room, because I felt like the pink was darker than what I expected after painting the room. But yeah, so beddings, obviously mtumba. And then I bought the shiny pillow from Eastleigh. I think it was 700 shillings. It comes with the pillow and the pillowcase. And then that teddy bear, just for them, bought it somewhere on the streets. Yeah, so that's my bed. And then here the album covers. I hadn't put them up in the previous video, but yeah, here they are, my bed switch. I'm supposed to add 2 more so that it can kind of like fit along the length of the bed, if you can kind of see. But yeah, so I still haven't printed. So yeah, that's my bed area, and then my curtains over there and the vine. We have this wall. The strings you see are my fairy lights. Even if I switch them on right now, you can't see. Those are my fairy lights. It's such an atmosphere at night. Guys, I'm telling you guys. Siwashi stima tena usiku with these things here. Like, plus I think they save on electricity also. So I need to add more, but so far that's how they're looking like, and I love them. I love them.
Deep inside, cause I've been dreaming about you. Ooh,
So next is my desk area, space, whatever. Yeah, so I have those shelves. They're white, again adding to the aesthetic. And then, so yeah, okay, so here I have some decorations that I have. That's Bob, a minion I got somewhere in the streets. And then my alarm clock, and then we have all my cookbooks. So all of them are here, and all magazines that have recipes and stuff. And then my file, my clipboard, and then this NASA calendar that I have. I'm going to put it up, but I've not put it up already. I want to frame some of the pictures instead. Yeah, so here I keep this cup where I have my color pencils. This where I have my other color pens, and then just random books that I have, my photo albums, and then these are the books that I use regularly for school, my Bible, journals that I'm currently using. And then here is just another cup basket where I put my other two small stationaries. Yeah, and then washi tape dispenser, and then yeah, calculators, set, my other pens that I use in school, and this thing where I keep other things. Okay, and then here is my desk, so yeah, where I keep my laptop and things that I'm using at that time. Yeah, I don't keep anything on top of my desk because it's kind of small, so and then yeah, my chair, and that's all.
I need to not pick up my phone. I'll go straight to airplane mode. Find something to do. I know I can be a little bit cold, but my third eye is going blind. I'm on a line with my body.
Okay, after this wall is the door to the bathroom that I share with my sister. Okay, she has her own bathroom, but yeah, this bathroom links our two rooms. Okay guys, that was it for the room tour. I hope you feel inspired to do your own room, because I did this all by myself. Everything, also the decorations, most of them were DIY. So, and I'm still planning to put more, so when I do that, I'll obviously update you guys. Yeah, I'm not done yet, but I'm almost done. Yeah, so I feel good in this room, guys. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video to anybody who wants to, like, maybe work on their room, or just share it. Yeah, anyways, so this is your sign to do an extreme room makeover. Yeah, anyways, that's it for today. Bye.